Here is the blueprint to actually pull this off. Step 1, start today. Don't wait for a job interview to stop stealing sugar from the prison chow hall. Change your habits immediately. You act your way into a new way of being to build that hedge right now.
But actually, there's a prerequisite: body before mind. Mental clarity absolutely requires a regulated physical vessel. You have to honor 12-week commitments, like just showing up to a class consistently to prove to yourself you had the physical regulation to show up for your own life when the stakes get high.
You also have to follow the 3-step rule: total follow-through. You can't just take half of someone's advice, skip the hard math step because it's annoying, and then turn around and blame the advisor or the system when things fall apart.
The facilitators perfectly synthesize all this by looking at the Carmelo Hampton court case. They impartially hold two realities at once. On one hand, they acknowledge the systemic unfairness of a 30-year sentence and the issues with jury composition. But simultaneously, they hold the individual completely accountable for the choice to bring a knife to the situation in the first place. They neutralize the extremes and just look at the facts.
Right and wrong are irrelevant. What is? That perfectly captures strategic realism. We have to stop burning our precious energy being resentful over how the system should work and instead relentlessly work the rules of the map that actually exist right in front of us.
Which leaves us with one massive critical question. How do you actually win? How do you defeat that backwards escalator we talked about at the very beginning?
Well, the answer is the hidden advantage. The sheer, overwhelming force of habit and intense effort required just to survive on that backwards escalator. It builds an invincible level of resilience. You are literally training in high gravity while everyone else is just standing still.
And think about what happens once you finally clear that systemic threshold and reach level ground. Your momentum makes you totally unstoppable. You will effortlessly outpace everyone who has only ever known the luxury